Hi, in this video we will understand the concept of hidden or inferred goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. We will look into meaning of hidden goodwill, how to calculate hidden goodwill, and also its treatment. What is the meaning of hidden goodwill? We know that there is hidden goodwill when the value of goodwill is not given in the question, and we will have to infer it based on the net worth of the firm. So the question will not specify the goodwill of the firm nor the incoming partner's share of goodwill, but we will have to infer it based on the net worth of the firm. So this is called hidden goodwill. Now how to do this calculation? We need to follow 4 steps to calculate the share of goodwill of the incoming partner. Step 1 is to calculate the net worth of the firm based on the capital which is brought in by the incoming partner. To get this amount, we need to take the capital which is brought in by the incoming partner and multiply this amount with the reciprocal of incoming partner's share in profits. Step 2. The step 2 is to calculate the actual net worth of the firm. For this, we need to take the capitals of the existing partners plus the incoming partner's capital plus any gain on revaluation of assets and liabilities, and in case it's a loss, we need to deduct this amount, plus the free reserves plus accumulated profits minus the existing goodwill minus accumulated losses minus fictitious assets and minus non-trade investments. The third step is to calculate the goodwill of the firm. For this, we will take the answer of step 1 minus the answer of step 2. The final step is to calculate the goodwill of the incoming partner. For this, we will take the goodwill of the firm, that is the answer which we arrived at in step 3, and multiply this amount with the share of profits of the incoming partner. So after following these 4 steps, we will be able to calculate the share of goodwill of the incoming partner. The treatment of this incoming partner share of goodwill will depend on whether he brings it in cash or not. Where the incoming partner brings in his share of goodwill in cash, the first journal entry is bank account debit to incoming partner's capital account to premium for goodwill account for capital and premium for goodwill brought in by the incoming partner in cash. The second entry, premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners, capital or current account to distribute the premium for goodwill among the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. What happens when the incoming partner does not bring in his share of goodwill in cash? So then we have the first entry, bank account debit to incoming partner's capital account for the capital which is brought in by the incoming partner, and the second entry, incoming partner's current account debit to sacrificing partner's capital or current account in sacrificing ratio in order to adjust the incoming partner's share of goodwill among the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. So now that we've learned the meaning of hidden goodwill, how to calculate hidden goodwill, and also its treatment. In the upcoming video, we will solve example sums in this concept of hidden goodwill on admission of a partner.